Hey everyone, it's Andrei Angelkovski from beachinvesting.com. Come out to our events and learn hands-on. Right now where we're standing is at one of our live on-site projects that we're currently renovating. And one of the events that we actually do is we take people on-site live and see our projects that are undergoing renovations as we speak. So some of the stuff that we do on our on-site events, such as this one, is we help show people how to create legal triplexes. We show people how to flip properties and make money. We bring in guest speakers at these live events. We show people the secrets of renovations. We show people how they can make money by converting a single family home into a legal duplex or a triplex. We show people multifamily investing. And some of the projects that are undergoing right now are an incredible one actually, where one of my clients is actually lifting out their house and digging out an entirely new basement and going to be converting it into a legal triplex. You have to see this one. Another one is, for example, we're taking this property, for example, we're in the prime beaches. We're going to be converting this into a luxury income property, which we need to show you exactly how we do these things. Another type of workshop that we do is in class, where we bring in experts, realtors, mortgage brokers, accountants, architects, lawyers, and we share the information to you guys on how to flip properties. And we show you multifamily strategies, how to do the right renovations to get you the top amount of rents, how to attract the right tenants, how to manage your properties, a whole bunch of topics that we have coming to you. We're here to share, to educate. Come on out, fill out the form below, and hope to see you soon.